Burpee. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend forward and place your hands on the floor. Step or kick your legs back and drop down into a push-up, lowering your body toward the floor. Exhale and push your body up, then lift your hips and jump your feet forward. Lift your hands off the floor and explode up into a jump, extending your arms overhead. Repeat for the recommended number of repetitions. Alternating single leg sprawl. Begin in a standing position. Bend at the hips and place your hands on the floor. Jump your feet behind you, letting one foot land while holding the other foot in the air, ending in a single leg, straight arm plank. Jump both feet forward again, landing your feet just behind your hands. Inhale and jump back again, this time letting the other foot land while holding the first foot up. Keep your hands on the floor throughout the exercise. Continue alternating for the recommended number of repetitions.